Business in the community has been collating examples of best practice and corporate responsibility in Ireland since 2003. We have been greatly impressed by Pfizer's leading role in tackling the public health challenges of obesity and smoking in young people. Their Way to Go programme is very innovative and an excellent example of what can be achieved when companies work in partnership with others to address pressing social needs.
Well, in Ireland, obesity is an enormous issue and it's going to be a continuing issue. So as a healthcare company, Pfizer decided that this was something that needed to be addressed. Smoking also is a huge issue which causes all sorts of problems in the future. So from a strategic point of view, Pfizer saw it as a very good way of working in collaboration with key partners to address a healthcare issue nationally. The Way to Go programme involves a workbook and video which is in every single school, every single secondary school in the country, so 746 secondary schools, and it's part of the SPHE programme. It also involves public health information meetings with parents. It has involved an obesity report done by children.
You know, we have 300,000 Irish young people who are either overweight or obese, and that's estimated to be growing at 10,000 a year. So projects like Way to Go really, I suppose, open the discussion around it. You know, it is challenging, there's no one answer, and the more discussion we have, the more relevant it is really to us. As a nutritionist myself, I feel it's terribly important that we, be creative around food, particularly with young people. They know what they should be doing, but very often changing the behaviour around food is difficult. And as a parent myself, I learned hugely from the project, listening to Mark Harrell, the psychologist, about the power of praise, about catching our young people doing the right thing, if you like, and praising them, the power of role modelling, all of that, and of course being active as well as a family is absolutely critical, fundamental in terms of helping prevent obesity.
The smoking report, The Way to Go, I felt was a very concise, informative, well-presented report that would be an asset to the SPHE teachers in their classroom. And as a result, I ordered a copy for each person, which Pfizer sent me out, free of charge. And in the information contained refers to the difficulties students have in giving up, how easily they began smoking, and the connection in their social lives as well.
Well, the Way to Go programme has achieved a lot of awards. It's won commendations both here in Ireland and in Europe. The future for Pfizer is to stay in the space of CSR. It's embedded in our values across the world. Globally, Pfizer is committed to CSR. And certainly from a Way to Go point of view, year in, year out, since 2005, we have committed to developing different strands of Way to Go, looking at what are the current healthcare issues in Ireland and then trying to address them.